What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. So last week we unboxed this new cooker here, and I've been trying to figure out what I'm going to use to put this on. So this is an outdoor air fryer, smoker, cooker, right? And I looked at a few options and I came up with something I think is going to be really great from VIVOHOME. So join me. Let's take a look at what I decided to get for this new cooker, and we're going to put it together and see how it works. So last week we unboxed this new cooker, and it is to be used outside. It's like an outdoor electric smoker. And I've been wondering what kind of solution that I should use to put this on, because I wanted a little bit of space to do maybe some prep, but I wanted a decent table or cart that would sort of hold up to cooking, right? And so I thought about a barbecue cart, but they tend to be kind of junky. They only last a season or two and they kind of fall apart. So I was talking to my friends over at VIVOHOME, and they have stainless steel prep tables. And we have one outside that we have a Kamado smoker on, and we've been using that for a couple years and it works great. And I was like, why don't we put this on a stainless steel prep table? Stainless steel is a great material. It rains on it and I just go out and I wipe it off and it looks as great as when I bought it. So I was like, yes, I want to use that as my solution. So that's what we have here in this big box. It's a VIVOHOME stainless steel prep table like you would see in a commercial kitchen. That's what we're going to be using for this cooker. So we're going to get it out of the box and put it together, and I'll show you what it looks like and how we're going to have it set up. So I just want to thank VIVOHOME for sending this, and I'll put links down in the descriptions. You can check it out. These tables are great indoor, in your kitchen, or outdoors, right? Because I'm using one outdoors and it has been working fabulous. So let me get this box up here and we'll see what's in it. Okay, so what we have here is a VIVOHOME 24 by 24 stainless steel work table. And if you go into a restaurant, this is the kind of thing you're going to see in their prepping on. They use these for everything. Because stainless steel is such a great material. You can clean it easy. It doesn't really stain. If it does stain, like if you get a rainbow on it, you can just pull a BKF on there, shine it back up, right? It's like, they're great. And they're really, really affordable. So you have good quality, you have really versatile, and they're really affordable. So let's see what we got here. Woo! Wow! Whoa! So we have a lot of parts here. That must be the bottom shelf. Woo! Because this looks like it's the top shelf. It's packed pretty well. Whoa! So this is our top. This is heavy. This is way heavier than the one we have. And it has a little lip on here to keep things from falling behind it. So let me get all this stuff out of here and we'll start putting it together. So cooks, this VIVOHOME stainless steel work table is an awesome solution for my cooker here. It's very durable. because it's stainless steel. It will work absolutely fantastic. You can use it as a prep table. You can put your stand mixer on it, or you can put a cooker on it like this. It's a great space to have if you want to add a little space in your kitchen, a little countertop space. We're using it for the cooker here, and I think this is a lot better solution than one of those cheap barbecue carts. So thank you very much, VIVOHOME, for sending this. Links will be down in the description. You will see this in the next video of this cooker. We're going to be outside smoking some ribs, then some chicken, and we're going to do all kinds of fun stuff on here. So that table, I'm loving it. Happy Wednesday, y'all.